Yabona wena mfana noThusi siyabonga wakamthulu la ku-TikTok bakubiza ngoSiya SG1. Ngiyakubona nje uloku uzenza into enomusic kodwa wopula awuzenze ngathi ushaya ama-track. Le nto yakho ayikho kodwa indaba omculo.
To this fan who doesn't know his place. Sengenile glend mfana kithi when you late. Be a standard, understand that his place is on the stands. I'm in a conversation and hard and I'm one of the best. I'm not whack musical, it seems like you lack sense. If you're looking for a beef, got a camp, wait, is that your head or the carpet? Man, I'm the best at what I do, I don't need your clearance. For some years I've been the baddest. I'ma paralyze you with those lyrics, cause you will be in a fucking wheelchair. I'm getting criticized, that means I'm doing good now. Instead of dissing, you should have asked for them out.